I welcome you all my dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.2, continuation to exercise 3.1, class 8, exponents and radical chapter. So now question number 1 here is you find the value of 8 to the power 2 by 3. जब भी आपको कोई इस तरीके की वैल्यू फाइंड करने बोलता है तो आपको पावर में जब भी कोई फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू होता है तो आपको डिनोमिनेटर में फोकस करना है. डिनोमिनेटर पे यहाँ पे वैल्यू है 3, तो मतलब 8 कहीं ना कहीं किसी का पावर 3 है. सो यू नो दैट 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. सो ये तो हो गया 2 का क्यूब whole to the power 2 by 3. So this can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. अब राइट साइड लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट में आप देख सकते हैं जब पावर का भी पावर होता है तो पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है आपस में. So this will become 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 is going to cancel with each other. Finally we are having that is equals to the square of 2. The square of 2 is 2 into 2. And what is 2 into 2? 2 2s are 4. Now coming down to the second part. The second one is 16 to the power 3 by 4. अब अगेन हम नीचे 4 फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू पावर में 4 पे फोकस करेंगे तो यू नो दैट 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. तो 16 को हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया उसके प्राइम फैक्टर में तो डेफिनेटली ये 2 टू द पावर 4 मिल गया. सो उससे क्या होगा होल टू द पावर 3 by 4. अगेन वी विल यूज द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट दैट पावर का भी पावर होने से power is going to multiply. So this will become 4 into 3 by 4. 4 and 4 is going to cancel. This will become the cube of 2. The cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Next is minus 9 whole to the power minus 2. So here you know that it has negative power. You can make it in a positive by taking its reciprocal. तो ये तो reciprocal हो गया. Now here you can see that after taking the reciprocal, the square of minus 9 is 9 9s are 81 and minus into minus is plus. Now coming down to the fourth part, the fourth part is 100 to the power, the fourth part is 1000 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now you know that 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this is nothing but this is the cube of 10. Now when you are having power to the power, you can multiply the powers, that is 10 whole to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 are going to be cancelled and we are getting 10 to the power minus 1. Now it is having negative power, so you can convert it by taking its reciprocal, that is 1 by 10. Now coming to the fifth part, the fifth is 100 to the power 3 by 2. Now 100 means the square of 10. So in the next step we can write down that is the square. And now again power to the power we are having. So what we can do, we can multiply the powers, that is 2 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 is going to be cancelled and the answer will become 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. Now next is 144 whole to the power 1 by 2. How we can solve that? You know that हमें 2 को focus करना है. So 144 is the square of 12. 12 12s are 144. So now what we are having in the next step, that is it is the square of 12. Now we are having power to the power. So what it will happen? Power will multiply with each other. And 2 and 2 is going to be cancelled and 12 to the power 1 is 12. Next is the seventh one. The seventh one we are having, that is 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Now again we are having negative power. You can convert it in positive by taking its reciprocal, that is 4 to the power 3 by 2. Now you know that 4 means 2 into 2 whole to the power 3 by 2. Now that is the square of 2. Now when you are having power to the power, they are going to multiply. So that will become 2 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 is going to cancel and we are having 2 to the power 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the answer. Next one, the last one, that is the eighth one. We are having a to the power minus 2 whole to the power 3 by 4. Now again we are having power to the power. First we will multiply the power, that is minus 2 into 3 by 4. You know that 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we are getting a to the power minus 3 by 2 at last. Now you are having negative power, you can convert it in positive by taking its reciprocal, that is 1 by a to the power 3 by 2. Now continue to question number 2. It is saying to evaluate x to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3. Now here we can see that the base are same and the power are different and the sign is multiplication. That means the power will add with each other. And here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, the common LCM you will get is at 3. So the numerator will remain as it is, 1 plus 2. This will become x to the power 3 by 3. 3 is going to cancel with 3 and x to the power 1 is x. Now next the second part. The second one is root 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now you know that root 3 means 3 to the power 1 by 2 in exponent form into again 3 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now again the base are same. The power you can add with each other, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 to the power 0. Now you can see the law of exponent that any number to the power 0 will give you 1. Now next the third part is 32 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 plus 4. I already told you when power का भी power होता है तो multiply हो जाता है. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 upon 5 plus 4. Now 32 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 whole to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 4. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 to the power 5 plus 4. Now when you are having power to the power is going to multiply, that is 5 into minus 2 by 5 plus 4. So 5 and 5 is going to be cancelled. Next we are remaining value is 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4. Now again we are having a negative power, you need to make a reciprocal to get a positive power. Now what is the square of 2? The square of 2 is 4. 4 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1. Now we are going to take the LCM, that is 4. So 4 ones are 4 but 1 fours are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So the final answer is 17 upon 4. Now we'll solve the fourth part, that is 2 plus 32 to the power 2 by 5. Now 2 will remain like 2 only, but 32 in the last question we did it that 32 is 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. Now when you are having power to the power is going to multiply. That is 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 is going to be cancelled. That will become 2 plus the square of 2. The square of 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Now coming down to the fifth part, that is 10 minus 8 to the power 1 by 3. So that is equals to 10 minus 8. 8 can be written as 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. So that can be written as 10 minus the cube of 2 into 1 by 3. When you are having power to the power is going to multiply. That is 3 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 is going to cancel and this will become 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 2 is 8. Coming down to the sixth part, that is 1 by 64 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Now again this is having negative power. You can convert into positive power by taking its reciprocal. So this will become plus 1 by 2. Now you know that this is 2 means 64 is the square of 8. 8 8 is 64. I already told you need to see the denominator of the power. So now this will become the square of 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. So on further solving we will get 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 is going to cancel and 8 to the power 1 is 8. Now coming down to the last part of this question, that is the seventh. 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 1 by 2, that is given in mixed fraction. So that will become the 4 can be written as the square of 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power. This mixed fraction can be written as 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Now we are having power to the power, so we will multiply 2 to the power 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 by 2 into 2 to the power 3 by 2. Now here you know that 2 ones are 2. So in the next step we are having 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 3 by 2. Now base is same. So power will add each other, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Here it is nothing means 1. So we will take the LCM as 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. And 2 to the power 1 by 2 can be written as square root of